I started playing golf when I was 10. I'm now turning 25 this year, and my dad got me into it. Kind of hated it initially, just followed him around to the range, and then, I got bored, started hitting golf balls, and then, here I am now.
So Grace, where are we today?
We're at Oatlands Golf Club today.
And what does this club or this course mean to you?
Well, I grew up around here, and Oatlands was one of the golf courses I became a member at. Spent a lot of my junior years here, so it's quite nice to be coming back here.
For golf fans, and when they mention your name, one moment in particular stands out to us, the chip in and the playoff hole at the Amundi. But is there a moment, probably other than that, or it could be that really stands out to you in your career so far? Obviously that's got to be up there.
That's
right?
definitely up there.
Yeah.
On the top of my head right now, during my junior career, right during my year 12 exams, I went over to Argentina and played the Youth Olympics. And
studied the whole way there and back?
Well, I took all my stuff, but it wasn't touched. So exams didn't go as well, but I won the gold medal as the Youth Olympian, so cool. That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Outside of golf, is there an interest or a hobby that you enjoy or you pursue?
I enjoy shopping. That's kind of my retail therapy. Other than that, I generally just kind of do a puzzle at home or just spend a lot of time at home or in bed.
So from a golfer's perspective, how important is the quality of cut and how does it influence the way that you play golf?
I think if you know what the grass type is, the density, the length, and it's pretty consistent all throughout, it's really easy to predict what kind of golf shot you're going to produce. It does get difficult when the cut's not consistent, so it's definitely important for sure.
So a consistent and a high quality cut really matters to golfers?
Yeah, absolutely. It's just something that we dial in preparation-wise for tournaments as well, so just knowing that in your head, just mentally, it's going to be like as consistent as it could be. That's just a mind-settling thing for sure.
And are you a neat or a meticulous type person by nature, are you, or is it only just comes through in your golf game?
I think golf's made me a bit like that. I'm probably a little bit more laid back and kind of lazy almost at times, but when it comes to golf, you kind of have to be very even sensitive as well, and definitely meticulous.
So we're here at Oatlands Golf Club where there's two Husqvarna Automower commercial automowers mowing the course. In Europe now, there's over 1,000 golf courses with Husqvarna Automower automowers on them. Have you seen them in your travels around Europe?
Yeah, actually recently I was in Europe, July and August. Just saw it kind of all lined up on the fairway, and they were mowing pre-event, so that was quite cool. It just looked quite futuristic, like very advanced on the fairway, so probably saves a lot of time for the greenies.
Did you ask some questions about it when you saw them? Was it something that piqued your interest straight away when you saw something
Yeah,
like that?
I actually asked a staff member, like, what is that? And they were explaining that it was a Husqvarna. So I was like, I definitely know that name.
Okay, and that's led into the brand partnership with Husqvarna, I'd imagine then.
Yeah, so I was quite excited when I saw the email. Not really that much into lawn as such. I obviously know the different types of grass on the golf course, but now I'm all over it, and I've got a little one at home too.
A little one at home. So the ones you see on the golf course are part of their commercial range, but it's pretty cool to find the same company does a residential range as well. So not only can they mow big golf courses, but they can also look after your backyard as well.
Yeah, so I was very excited to see the little one. So I've named mine Husky, and it's doing its job every morning. So it's just nice to see it kind of go out at 6 a.m. and I'm out there just doing my own thing.
And being away so much too, you can follow the mower on your app. That'd be a pretty cool feature, I'd imagine, for someone in your position.
I've gone through the app multiple times, and I've even showed a couple of my mates just to show them how cool it is.
Looking after your lawn while you're not even there.
Yes, exactly. So cool.